Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that a lot of you have been asking about. Does Setmore integrate with Google Calendar? Now, before we jump into the answer, let's take a step back and talk about why this is even important. Setmore and Google Calendar are both powerful tools for managing your time and appointments. If you're already using one of these tools, you might be wondering if it's worth switching to the other, or if you can use them both together. So, does Setmore integrate with Google Calendar? The answer is yes. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up this integration. Benefits of integrating Setmore with Google Calendar. There are a number of benefits to integrating Setmore with Google Calendar. First, it can help you keep your schedule up to date. When you add an appointment in Setmore, it will be automatically added to your Google Calendar. This means that you won't have to worry about double booking yourself or forgetting about an appointment. Second, it can help you save time. You won't have to manually enter your appointments into both Setmore and Google Calendar. Instead, you can just add them once and they will be synced automatically. Third, it can help you stay organized. By having all of your appointments in one place, you can easily see what's coming up next. This can be helpful for planning your day and making sure that you don't miss any important appointments. How to integrate Setmore with Google Calendar. Now that we know the benefits of integrating Setmore with Google Calendar, let's take a look at how to do it. First, you need to create a Setmore account. If you don't already have one, you can sign up for a free trial. Once you have a Setmore account, log in and go to the Settings page. Click on the Integrations tab. Select Google Calendar from the list of integrations. You will be asked to authorize Setmore to access your Google Calendar. Once you have authorized Setmore, you will be able to choose which calendars you want to sync. That's it. You're now integrated with Google Calendar. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for using Setmore with Google Calendar. Make sure that you have the same time zone set in both Setmore and Google Calendar. If you make changes to an appointment in Setmore, it will be automatically updated in Google Calendar. You can also add events to your Google Calendar that are not in Setmore. If you delete an appointment in Setmore, it will be deleted from Google Calendar as well. Integrating Setmore with Google Calendar is a great way to save time and stay organized. If you're using either of these tools, I highly recommend that you set up this integration. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on how to use Setmore. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.